Oh yeah, hey everybody! Happy February. We have Team Transport G. We've been so busy, honestly, I forgot to do this video. I was going to do it last week. But I want to show you guys something that happens occasionally. This happens occasionally on shipments where, you know what, the box just gets messed up. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to open these, then I'm going to open each car so you guys can see it loose. Okay, so here we go. This is Team Transport G case, which is just unbelievable. This is one of the coolest cases in the past couple of years for a couple of reasons, all of which have different groups of people happy about it. There's a top-down view real quick. So, as you know, there's only 4 pieces in each case. Actually, somehow these two look pretty good. So, this car right here is the RWB Porsche 930 Aero Lift. This first came out in silhouettes. And it is just unbelievable, guys. I'm going to open it here in a second as soon as I open all these. This is car number 17 in the series. It's on the cool Aero Lift. It's got the little logo there, the little skull logo, the RWB. This is, personally, this is one of my favorites that Team Transport's ever done. It's just unbelievable. The next car in the case, this one's definitely a little banged up on the bubble and the card back, but this is the Mazda 787B Sakura Sprinter set number 16. Very cool set also. It's got the Mazda logo all over it, the Mazda speed, the Brembo brakes. I'm going to open that one too here in a second so you can see a closer look at it. The last car in the case, which definitely got ragged out. This one right here is definitely the most popular car in the case. This is the Plymouth Superbird with the wide open. Unbelievable tampos. It's got the Plymouth logo, it's got the Union logo, it's the 76. I mean, realistically, this is one of the best tampos that I think that has existed on a car that Hot Wheels has done. So I'm just going to pop this open real quick so you can take a look. Okay. A little bit closer look. So here's the wide open with the Union on it. Let's see, what does that say on the hood? Get the Spirit 76. This is the Plymouth. Got Goodyear tires on it. Check that out, guys. Very cool. Hold on one second. I'm going to open the other two. Open the Mazda first. Here's the Mazda, the way that it comes packaged. They put a nice little piece of plastic in there to protect the race car from getting dinged up during transport. That's just awesome. I love the color scheme of this one. Very cool. And the car goes in there if you want it to. And then the last one that I'm going to open today is the Porsche. This one's just super cool also. got an unbelievable purple paint job on it. Got the RWB on the spoiler and on the side. What do you guys think? Is this one of the best sets that they've come out with? Check it out. As always, thank you for joining us here at Wheel Collectors. There is Team Transport G opened for your guys' viewing pleasure. Thank you very much. Wheel Collectors is out.